boys. It is. Okay, well, here we go. Daily Samo video. Samo, not looking that great, to be honest. But before I get into the video, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. And there's a link for my Substack below. I'm going to be doing a weekly Substack every Friday coming out on the things that I'm researching within the crypto market, businesses that I'm looking to acquire when I get to that point in my career, and some investment decisions. So if you guys want to keep in touch with me and help me build my newsletter, definitely make sure to click the link below. Anyways, and again, it's totally free, so don't worry about that. Again, like and subscribe. Let's get in the video. So Samo yesterday and over this weekend, we did some really fugazi stuff, right? So this red line here is the last tip that we had on the run up in April of 2022. We came up, looked really bullish going into it, and then we kind of rejected. So now we're almost getting back inside our range, right? So this 0.017 level was a very key level that Samo had to stay above for us to stay bullish. And, once we zoom in, well, first of all, the daily stochastic RSI curling to the downside, again, not what bulls want to be seeing. That money flow is still high, but again, red dot print on market cipher B, and then that VWAP is curving to the downside. Zooming into the 4 hour, this is really where you want to be understanding the meat of the situation. We broke this trend line that we kept on the way up. So let me just clear up this chart a little bit. And I almost really thought that we were going to play this range, right? So right here's your line in the sand more or less, and here's your range high. So I thought we were going to play this range, and let's see if we have Monday's levels as well. So yeah, so we fell below Monday's low. So ultimately, the range that bulls need to see kept is this one. If price action does this, gets back inside, reclaims this 0.018 level, then it's possible for us to get above. Again, that China TV pump, which was the last high when we ran up 500% in a day, that's that high that we need to stay above. But it does seem like we are gaining this weird point where price action is going back inside our previous range that we broke out seriously of. Now, we do have a point of expansion that is right here, right? That we also want to watch out for. Price action could easily fall within here, deviate, come back inside. We get acceptance above 0.017, and then we're off to the races. So what is Market Cipher B telling us? Market Cipher B is looking like we could potentially print a green dot here soon, which is telling me, okay, stochastic RSI also getting to that, or clearly at that oversold level, which is, again, something that bulls want to see for a leg up. But again, this is beginning to look a little bearish, to be honest. So my momentum indicator has crossed. We didn't have that similar setup before. So that's one thing I do want to point out, right? We came back, tagged the initial point of expansion. That became our breaking point. So price action did this, and price action isn't always fractal, but it helps for sure. So this yellow line here almost represents this one. So we could do some sort of stuff, fugazi stuff, come back, maybe chill below this low, take out this initial expansion point, and then get back inside. If price action gets back inside, that's very bullish. If price action falls below or does something like this, where we fall below, come back to use this as resistance, and that is a possibility all the way down to the mid-range at the very least. So that's kind of what I'm seeing for Samo as of right now. Bulls need to get it together. It's still possible for us too. When you zoom out to the daily time frame, we're basically entering high time frame support, right? We have this, our momentum indicator basically holding us like we did before. If, over the next couple of days, price action develops within this area, it is possible for us to stay here, go all the way down to 0.015, hold this level, right? And then, zoom back up, continuing our high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, potentially creating another lower high, keeping the market structure. So that's how I'm seeing Samo right now, guys. If you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I have so much more planned for you guys. Again, I know I've been saying this for a long time, but make sure to keep up to date. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.